Discover the perfect blend of style and tranquility in the enchanting city of London with Malden Road student accommodation. Nestled conveniently between Primrose Hill and Hampstead Heath, this luxurious residence welcomes you with a range of 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartments carefully designed to meet all your needs. Each room features large windows and a sumptuous bed, accompanied by a spacious wardrobe, dedicated study space, and standing mirrors for added convenience. The modern bathroom is equipped with a shower, sink, toilet, heated towel rail, and multiple mirrors. In addition, the well-lit and modern kitchen is fully equipped for your culinary adventures, complete with pots, pans, cutlery, glasses, and an espresso machine with new capsules each week. Slide open the doors to the furnished outdoor terrace, ideal for morning coffees or evening dinners and drinks. Located on Malden Road, the apartment offers excellent connectivity to Belsize Park, Chalk Farm, and Covent Town. For academics, Regent's University London and London Metropolitan University are just a short drive away. Explore charming cafes like the Troy Cafe and Café Renoir within walking distance, and indulge in lush greenery at Talacre Gardens, a mere 2-minute walk away. Plus, Kentish Town West train station is a 5-minute walk. Chalk Farm Station is a 7-minute walk, and even Camden Town's Tube Station is just a 15-minute stroll away. Your perfect blend of luxury and convenience awaits. Reserve your spot at Malden Road, London through amberstudent.com and embark on your exciting journey in this vibrant city.